say you're just gonna make a beat. It's been a long day. Just make a beat. You know, it's good for experience. It's good for what you look for. So I hope you're doing good. Here, I never presented myself. Um, so let me take advantage with this video to present myself. Presenting myself was I think is the biggest mistake I'm doing every time I meet people. The thing is, I really want to promote myself, but the art, the music, it is something that grows from your environment. If your environment wants to make business with it, you can get a business. But if your environment is full of people that have other interests, let me tell you that's what you are going to do now. It won't work the way you want it. It won't work the way you want it. So, disclaimer: when you try to make all of these, make sure you have enough time in front of you because it can be a long process. People people can come from everywhere, so just be careful. So you need to be courageous. You need to have courage to take your balls and make a project. To take your courage and being okay with whatever surrounds you, or if whatever surrounds you does not facilitate you, you don't have to complain. I use this channel also to say what I think and to express what I think is good and what I think needs to change. Because we're in a world where everything changes, where everything has its own meaning. I don't care about what you think. I don't care about your opinion. I don't care about everything that you're going to say watching this video. As long as I speak my mind, I'm free. So what I'm saying is true. Uh, Whenever I do whatever I do to get a relationship, to get into a relationship, that's a work. And I found out the girls that want me in a relationship, they're not my type. So what else to do? Just find prostitutes, or at least somebody that can shut up and listen to you. Because nowadays, when you're like me, like when you have dominance, you're not the right man for girls. But secretly they like you. Secretly they want you they just want you sexual. If I can say it like that, because they want it. They want this sexual act to be like never happened, or to be like, okay, we are doing this, but let's assume that we are not close, or let's assume that we don't have any, we won't meet in the future. That's what they do to me sometimes. So I just think about myself like, should I get married? I don't want to. It's not the right time. But what would they don't like to know somebody, or to being social, to being friends with someone? I don't know. They're just after your money. You can't get anything from free, or they can just like you like that, like you are. So I don't get that. For me, I just do what I have to do. But really, I'm in a season in my life like I just want to experience such things, but I don't know what to say. From my point of view, people do not get what I'm saying at all, or I'm just the one that is just thinking about that. You know, we are getting old. So this is it for the beat. So I think I'll have to just put that up here. I use the MIDI to make it. MIDI 808 helps a lot. Little bit. MIDI presets helps a lot, but as you saw, I only use them when there is movement. I only use them just for the drums I put. So the last thing I have to add here is an open add. Okay, and people also they just want to discourage you, like they just want to say bad things for you. They just I don't know. So I just stopped saying good things to my friend. I don't. I say good things, of course, but I just stop being so nice because when you give your plan to your friend, they are unhappy. It's like they do not like whatever you do. I just have two friends that are my friend. I don't say I don't have any friend, but I struggle making new connections because um, people will never be open minded. So they can't hold a normal conversation with you. And I think this world is going to a recession or an end because uh, the end is near. You know what I'm saying? End is near. There is a beginning and an end for everything. Why do they create all these nuclear bombs for? It's just to end this world because you can't undo cell phones, you can't undo internet. Impossible. If you need to undo something, you need to undo the human. That's it. And I think there is a plan in this world to put people like me or black people in general, like they want black people to the black civilization to disappear, you know. And for me, I just see it like that because when you don't do friend and when everything around you, everything in the media pushes people that are not like you to be more successful, do you see anything, any problem? Like they just say, okay, you're black, okay, your skin is bad, and like you can't make any friend, or I don't know. And they say you're black, you should listen to rap, or you should be a rapper or stuff. You know, all of this plays a role in shaping someone that is meant to be ruthless, or someone that is meant to be like really um, really concerned with the way he feels. Like me, I'm really concerned with the way I feel. I will not say what I feel. I'll not express it the way I just did right now without thinking twice or four times before doing it, before any contact with this machine. I really carefully thought about what I was doing because this world is just full of bullshit when you think about it, and you have a limited time in front of you. So let's listen to the final project. I hope this has really helped you improving the way you sound. See you next time. I will make other videos like this if you want me to talk about what I feel or what I can express. Just tell me because I'll just keep on doing it anyway. Thank you very much.